Friends, today we're going to read a book called The Hike. It's by Allison Farrell. Yoo-hoo! Are you almost ready? Oh, just one more cut. Just a few more feathers. Ooh, what are they getting ready to do? We are going on a hike. This is Wren and Elle and Hetty and Bean. Ooh, where are they gonna go? It's our favorite thing to do. Oh, all the things that they're seeing. Mushrooms and birds. So beautiful. Hey, wait for me. In the beginning, we run like maniacs. Arf! Until a ripe patch of thimbleberries slows us down. Oh, those look delicious. Elle teaches us how to make leaf baskets. Like this, Elle? Yep. Cool. Oh, we may have eaten too many berries. Is it possible? Well, I thought we were saving some for later. She has some in her leaf basket. The hike gets steep and the trail narrows. Boo! Ack! Hattie, how'd you get up there so fast? We get lost. Which way is north? I'm pretty sure we're not supposed to cross a river yet. Did we go left after the berry patch? Right, I think. Wren, what's another word for blue? Azure, cerulean, cobalt? Oh, she's making a sketchbook. Oh, that's pretty. We're halfway there. In no time, we get back on track. Who made these? Look, they're footprints. A deer walks by. Bean sneezes. Achoo! Do you see the deer? There he is. The deer vanishes so quick, we wonder if it was even there. Now there's something different. Do you see it? What is it? Yeah, a butterfly. A light rain comes and goes. The birds are happy. We listen to them chirp and chatter in the trees. This is the river we were looking for, right, Hattie? Wren's drawing more in her sketchbook. What's she drawing this time? Different birds. Yeah. Hattie gets tired. Elle offers to carry her. What a kind friend. We can't hear you. I said 30 minutes to the top. Oh, there they go. Oh, there they go. Soon, Elle is tired too. Giddy up. Oh, I can't do this much longer. Ride's over, everyone. Ooh, brr, it's getting chilly. They're headed up to the summit. At the top, Wren takes out her flag. Elle reads her poem, and Hattie releases the feathers into the wind. That's what they were getting the things ready for. We did it. Oh, now looks like they're heading back down. Oh, it's getting dark. Good thing they're headed back home, huh? See all the beautiful stars. Here are some more notes from Wren's sketchbook. A lot of the things that they saw. There was a lot to see in this book. There's some more of the things. Look, what's that? There's the deer. Oh, all kinds of good information about plants and the moon, how the moon looks different parts of the month. There's the end of that book. THEEND, the end. There is a lot to explore in this book called The Hike. Thanks, friends. Maybe you'll go on a hike today.